Good infrastructure plays a really important role in relation to decarbonisation internationally. The built environment has a significant impact in the carbon footprint, which means we need to be part of the solution. The way Seymour Whyte are going to achieve our targets of hitting net zero by 2050 is with everyone's involvement. There's lots of different ways we're going to need to do that, from our materials use to alternative fuel sources, and more importantly, the way we plan and deliver projects is how we're going to be successful in achieving this.
I believe the key to success is collaboration with the client, with the subcontractor, and the whole supply chain. We can't achieve emission reduction without these three elements. I believe in progression instead of perfection. So not to wait for a perfect solution, we need to look at what's available in the current market and utilize that for the reduction.
The hydrogen car trial has been really exciting for Seymour Whyte. It's a first in many states, and what we're doing is really trialling something that's new to Australia, but also helping to bring people on a journey that there are alternative fuels and there's new technology coming to the country. My experience with my electric vehicle is kind of a bit ironic. I grew up with a mechanic as a father, so we had plenty of big 70s, 80s gas-guzzling vehicles. The one thing I found is much of my concerns and many of the myths around electric vehicles, so charge anxiety and how far I can travel and how powerful they are, was really dispelled pretty quickly. Part of why all these trials we're doing within the projects is really important, because it's about breaking down those myths and realising that there are other ways that we can travel or build or be successful on our road to decarbonisation. The hydrogen generator trial is really exciting, and it's the first time it's been done within infrastructure in Victoria. The trial itself is a link back to our hydrogen vehicle and Toyota technology. The trial will provide us with a lot of data, which is really important. These trials not only start to take us on a journey, but they provide us with the information around cost, effectiveness, usability. The key benefits of the hydrogen generator is, firstly, its byproduct is water. There's no dirty emissions going into the atmosphere. Secondly, it means we've got on-demand power, so we don't need mains power to be able to use it. And for me, thirdly, is actually starting to teach people that these are safe technologies. They exist, they're out there, and they're being used now. It's really important to develop a workforce that's skilled in innovation and technology as we look towards this decarbonisation journey. So it's not just about using alternative materials, alternative fuels, but also about having smart engineering to help come up with these solutions and building better and smarter for the future.
Everyone is a leader and everyone has to drive the change. The small things we do every day that will have a big impact at the end of the project.
Seymour Whyte is in a great position where we can leverage off INSEE's international experience. Places like Europe are well ahead of Australia in relation to a lot of their setting of targets. So being able to tap into that experience is going to make a huge difference for successful outcomes here in Australia. I'm a mum, I've got 2 kids, and the impact that we have on the environment is frightening. So to work for a company that actually cares about what they do and puts it up front to set these brave targets is really exciting.